Now, this past summer, scorching heat waves have hit Bulgaria and the Balkan region. According to the country's National Institute of Meteorology and Hydrology, Bulgaria experienced its hottest and one of its driest seasons ever in 2024. Now, amid these challenges, resourceful architects are using modern techniques to build homes that offer refuge from a rapidly changing climate. More in our next report.
The straw house in Bulgaria can breathe, thermoregulate and insulate. Architect Kamen Pramatov lives in a small house in the picturesque village of Zelin, surrounded by 3 mountain ranges, about 50 kilometers from the capital of Sofia. His house, built on a steep south-facing slope with breathtaking views, is constructed using cob, clay and wood and features a green roof that enhances its natural insulation.
The green roof plays a role in the thermoregulation of the house because the flat roof is extremely heated by the direct sun, and even if it had good thermal insulation, this leads to heating of the entire house. Here the vegetation perfectly copes with the overheating of the house, and in winter it is additional thermal insulation.
Elsewhere, Pramatarov shows these cob-made walls that maintain in-house humidity.
The wall is solid and serves as a base for the clay plaster, which allows moisture to freely pass through it and evacuate to the outside.
This wooden facade has a hidden ventilation function to prevent heat and keep warmth in winter. There's also large windows and leaves that shield from the intense summer sun, while allowing winter sunshine to enter in the village of Dolny Rakovets. An institute for environmental construction began constructing its headquarters on the site of a former school building.
The aim of this institute is to train specialists, people who work in construction as well as people who can change their environment on their own in their daily lives and even inspire young people.
Slavchov hopes their work will inspire young people to follow that same green philosophy. Health and nature go hand in hand at the Vivade Straw Modules factory near Sofia, where eco-friendly building materials are produced. At this facility, wheat straw is transformed into these building modules.
Upon entering a straw house, you immediately notice a comfortable temperature, cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Thanks to its excellent insulation, the house maintains a stable temperature, resisting fluctuations caused by the outside weather conditions.
Nikolov hopes the sector will grow as more people embrace greener building practices.
We seem to be seeing an awareness among people that one should value one's health and strive for the comfort that comes from nature.
Bureau Report WION, World is One.